So yun guys, I really believe na you guys have to keep very organized kasi sa dami ng digests na kailangan nating gawin, we really need to stay on top of it. So guys, if kaya niyong mag-Excel sheet or anything like that, that's my tip. And of course, Pomodoro. Yes. Alright, so let's read some comments and see who wants to be shouted out. Hello, Carl Wise. Hello, how are you? And oh my gosh, Coach Zach is online. Hello, Coach Zach, and welcome to the stream. Sabi ni Coach Zach, my watch is on fire. Mine na daw. Nako, Coach Zach, thank you so much for noticing my watch. But unfortunately, it is not for sale kasi pinamana sa akin to ng daddy ko. So, very priceless ito. And speaking of expensive watches, our question for today is it illegal to buy fake luxury items? Well, according to our law books, it is not illegal to wear knockoffs and buy knockoffs. Ang illegal ay ang pagbebenta. So, if ikaw ang nagbebenta, ikaw ang pwedeng kasuhan. So, it's not technically illegal, but in my opinion, I think that we should just support original products, and I really don't believe that we should be buying fake items. So that is my advice for today. And of course, don't forget to continue supporting your law school girls. See you guys next time, and case closed.
Kakasimula pa lang ng SEMA. Na-max out mo na naman ang credit card mo?
Dad, bumili ako ng bagong bag, okay? It's for school.
Matuto ka naman magtipid. Ano ba akala mo? Pinupulot ko lang ang pera dito sa Dubai. Sinasayang mo lang sa mga walang kwentang pinaghihirapan ko dito eh.
You promised me, Dad, na ever since Mom passed, hindi niyo sa akin ipaparamdam na may kulang sa buhay ko. Tapos ganito, Dad.
Yana, iba ito. By now, dapat marunong ka na mag-budget. Look, I'll send you your allowance. Kung kulang, ikaw nang bahalag gumawa ng paraan.
$500,000 for this 1995 gold Illuminati watch. G?
300,000.
300,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind. Enjoy your smartwatch, okay? I'll go find someone who can actually afford this timepiece.
Wait. 400,000. Yeah?
450,000. Cash.
Okay, sold.
Deal?
Deal.